Been quite a while since our last build, but we're not going to keep you waiting for a single minute. Welcome to Lemonade Cheap.
Wait just one more minute. Before this video starts, I'd like to give a quick shout out to Princess Auto. Princess Auto, thank you for filling us with so much depression and sadness today when we saw your tools and we realized how much money we could have saved had we just bought from you and not off the tool truck. This didn't have to be Lemonade Cheap Customs. This could have been Lemonade Rolling in the Dough Customs, but instead we've got Snap-on Mac and Matco tools. So thank you for giving us your great tools that we never got to buy. If you're an apprentice, fuck Snap-on, go to Princess Auto. All right.
What the fuck?
In the wonderful world of mechanics, stuff gets more complex every day. Machinery gets more complex. Computer systems get more complex. Even the frickin' hand tools you use to fix the thing get more complex. We've only been doing this for a couple of years and we are already outdated. But after thousands of years, one thing still hasn't changed. The creeper.
That's right, we get thousands of letters every week asking us, Lemonade Cheap Customs, why do I gotta roll my fat ass on my creeper using my own feet? Well, I tell you, you no longer have to.
Nope, that is right. Today we went down to the Princess Auto. We purchased a 100% genuine creeper.
A dolly, because it was half the price. The idea came to me one day after eating quadruple baconator, and I couldn't get my fat ass underneath my tractor. And I thought, what if I run this with my impact? Lemonade Cheap Customs.
The plan today is to build a creeper that you can run with your impact. We got a nut that we're going to weld onto the shaft, we got our creeper, and we got our rod. With a little bit of Lemonade ingenuity and some bullshit on the side, we should be done in about 3 hours. Doctor, give it to me straight. Is she going to be all right?
I don't know what to tell you there, but she's a dolly.
Okay, wait. Back to the drawing board. These are good cokes.
Yeah, good goals.
The build is all done. We got our nut welded on the end of our axle. Now this thing puts out 300 foot-pounds at the wheel using the impact we have, and aftermarket mods are cheap and easy. Just grab a bigger impact.
You've heard of rolling coal? We're about to roll some air. Support the patch. All right, first test.
Another day, another time. Man, you ever seen a creeper do burnouts?
You saw it here, folks. Tune in next year for another Lemonade Cheap Customs episode.
The Moto-Creep.